Let's do this. Hello everybody, hope everybody's doing well. Let's get started on this maple platter. I've already pre-drilled that wormhole screw, or woodworm screw, excuse me. This piece of maple burl has been on and off of my lathe probably 10 times. I've started it, something came up, started it, something came up. So here we go. We're going to turn it today. This thing was pretty off balance. I was only able to get this up to about 425 RPMs max for the first bit of this turning, so we'll get her. This maple was pretty hard and dry. I had to switch over to the carbide. So right here I'm using an Easy Wood Tools Easy Rougher. So made pretty short work of it once I got it roughed down to pretty much the shape I wanted. Here I'm just cleaning up the tenon, getting ready to reverse mount this in the 4-jaw chuck. Excuse me. So we get turned around and start the hollowing process. I've got to tell you, I really love the way this maple's coming out. This maple burl is really pretty. If you ever get a chance to turn some maple burl, it turns really well, finishes really well also. Love that maple. We'll go ahead and start the sanding process. I started out at 80, went all the way to 400, but we won't bore you with all that. Here I'm getting the platter spun around, reverse mounted in the 4-jaw chuck, getting ready to haul this piece out. Looking forward to see what the inside of this burl looks like. So here we go. I think at this point right here, I'm going to start getting into this hollowing process. I'm going to kick on some tunes, see what kind of design shape I can get up with. I'm going to try a bead on this, so on this outer rim. So we'll get going with that. I'm going to kick up some music. You guys enjoy the show. Let me know what you guys think. Right here, I made a jam chuck. I coved that out. That center of this platter is domed right there. I don't know if it's picking up clearly. Focus on that. I'll put some non-stick material in there. Use that as like a friction chuck or a jam chuck. Yeah, I made that jam chuck just so I can start reversing or cutting off this tenon. Here we are. The tenon's pretty much cut off. I got a little nub there. I've added some detail rings. Get this sanded up. Added some detail rings. Gotta show the bottom some love too, you know. So just adds to the piece. Right there it is. We'll get that nub cut off, get it branded, and we'll be back. And here's where the magic happens. This walnut oil makes this grain and figure in this maple burl just pop. I mean, awesome. So, this is good stuff. Check this out. There's a reward for getting all dusty and dirty. Man, love it. I'll end up putting about 3 coats of this Mahoney's walnut oil on there. This walnut oil is food safe, so whoever I gift this to or sell to, or if I decide to keep it, it is food safe. It is a food safe finish. So that's why something like that I always tend to use like a walnut oil or anything that's food safe. So, and it sure makes this grain pop. Like I said before, I'll put 2 or 3 coats on here, like I said too, and I'll have some final pictures at the end. So stay tuned for that. Thanks. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this project. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thanks everybody for liking, subscribing, sharing. It's all very much appreciated. So thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you to all the new ones.